Top 5 hacking event in the history? 1. Sony Pictures hack, 2014. In November 2014, a group calling itself the Guardians of Peace hacked into Sony Pictures computer systems and leaked sensitive information, including personal data of employees and confidential corporate information. 1. The U.S. government later attributed the attack to North Korea, in response to the release of the movie, The Interview, which was depicting a fictional assassination of the North Korean leader. 2. Target hack, 2013. In December 2013, the retail giant Target announced that hackers had stolen credit and debit card information from 40 million customers, as well as personal information from an additional 70 million customers. 2. The hack is considered one of the largest data breaches in history and had a severe impact on Target's reputation and financials. 3. Equifax hack, 2017. In September 2017, Equifax, one of the largest credit reporting agencies, announced that hackers had breached its systems and accessed personal data of 143 million customers, including social security numbers, birth dates, and addresses. 3. The hack was particularly severe as it involved sensitive financial information, and Equifax faced heavy criticism and multiple lawsuits as a result. 4. Yahoo hack, 2013-2014. In September 2016, Yahoo announced that hackers had stolen personal data from at least 500 million Yahoo user accounts in 2013 and 2014, one of the biggest data breaches in history. 4. The stolen data included email addresses, phone numbers, dates of birth and hashed passwords. 5. WannaCry ransomware attack, 2017. In May 2017, a ransomware attack known as WannaCry spread rapidly across the world, affecting more than 200,000 computers in 150 countries. 5. The attack exploited a vulnerability in older versions of Microsoft Windows and encrypted the files on infected computers, demanding payment in Bitcoin to restore access. 5. The attack caused widespread disruption, particularly affecting hospitals and other critical infrastructure. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of the many high-profile hacking events that have occurred throughout history. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated, and it's important for individuals and organizations to take steps to protect themselves.